Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to finding polygon with unique attribute, means using query in QGIS. If you want to selection in query using QGIS, so it is very important for using query. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. Here is our data. We select it. After selection, we go to open attribute table. Here is our table. First name underscore 1, second ID underscore 2, third name underscore 2, and fourth type underscore 2. And we using query for ID underscore 2. For query, we go to select feature using an expression. We click here. After it, we go to field and value and we select here ID underscore 2. After it, we select here equal to, and here is all unique value right hand side, and we write here any value. We write here 139. After write, we click select feature and we close it, You see here our polygon is selected, highlighted in yellow color. So our unique feature is selected. If you want to use other query, so you go to, first we unselect it and go to open attribute table and we click here. We click here select feature using an expression. After it, we go to field and value and we click here ID and we write here and. After it, before we write here operator greater than 139 and ID2, and we write here less operator 148. Here is operator ID underscore 2 greater than 139 and ID underscore 2 is less than 148. After it, we go to 10 samples. We click here. Here is our value 139 to 140. If you want to select it, so you go to select feature and close it. Here is our value is selected. You see here feature total 19, filtered 19 and selected 8. Our 8 feature selected, means our 8 polygon selected. You see want to map, you close it. You see here your feature is selected, 8 feature is selected by using query. So our process is complete successfully for selecting QGIS by using query. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.